Hi, this is Ian Thompson at RE/MAX, the island's downsizing specialist. And when it comes time to sell the single family home, a lot of people consider the options of maybe I'll buy another smaller home or maybe a condominium, or perhaps it's Deerwood. Now, Deerwood is one of the ideal retirement communities on Vancouver Island, and people buy here for two reasons generally. One is security, a peace of mind, it's a gated community. And the other one is a sense of belonging. There's like-minded folks enjoying the clubhouse. And today, we've got a great opportunity for you to consider Deerwood and this great home on King Arthur. Generous size, 3 beds, 2 bath, nice ensuite, and some yard space too. Let's have a look inside. So let's do a recap. You've got a great home in Deerwood with an easy access driveway, has a nice carport, covered place for a patio, and a great backyard space also. Inside, beautifully decorated, really in immaculate condition. Call your agent today to book a viewing at this wonderful opportunity on King Arthur in Deerwood.